Okay guys, now time for the footwork. We will show you some amazing foot exercises which will make your dancing look better and better.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you keep your knee straight. 1, 2, both legs straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apply a little bit of a pressure, but be careful. Don't force yourself if you've never done this before. So this is a little bit advanced method. So here, another foot. Stretch, 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 stretch. How we can stretch our ankle? Slide a little bit and apply pressure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then switch on another foot. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the most important, guys, when you do any exercises, keep your pressure inward. So when you even press here, I'm not opening my weight on the small toe. I keep it inward rotative. So my pressure is still in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we collect our feet here. Open and collect. Open and collect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch your weight and turn out this hip joint and go in. In, rotate the other leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Extension forward. 1, collect. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch the leg and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.